Uh-oh, he's at it again, y'all. Yeah, bro, y'all really seeing it. I'm mowing my grass at night. That's really, because I got headlights. What it is, yo? What's up? I should have just took that on the whole foot. Oh, my bad. I was holding y'all to the side. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of show y'all with the headlights, kind of how the headlights kind of look. I didn't really know that thing had headlights on the side, to be honest with you. I didn't even really know headlights was a thing. Fortunately, I don't have a whole lot of yard, so you know I can afford to do this. But I just wanted to show y'all. Anyway, check y'all later. And boom, shakalaka, we done, son. We done mowed the grass. It's dark. What time is it? Oh, Jesus, son. We don't need all that. See what time we got. Oh, 8:20. Solid. Oop. Let's get some more focus back. Yeah, so you see, I know it's dark. It's hard to see. But not with them lights on. Oop. And you see, battery saving mode. Because we forgot the lights on. Look, 3 out of 4. 3 out of 4. Come on now. Come on now. What that means? Yeah, my yard ain't that big. But come on. If your yard's a little sizable, bro, you got that. Look. Look. I'm telling you. It's behind these batteries. It's behind them. It's behind them. Them heavy output. Excuse me. Them high output 12 amp hour batteries. But anyway, I just wanted y'all to show what's up. Show y'all what's up. And we'll catch y'all later, bro. So I just wanted to show y'all the bottom after I done mowed my whole yard, right? In the dark, okay? That non-stick bottom, that's that non-stick metal, y'all, I'm telling you. And look, my rag is dry. Like it wipes right off. Look at that. Can you see that? Dry rag. I didn't even go wet it. I didn't even wet it to clean. Okay? And this is what it is, man. I mean, if it ain't worth it to you, then I can totally understand. But it is 100% worth it to me to be able to maintain my equipment this efficiently. Like, come on, man. Really? I just finished mowing the yard. That's my mulch plug. That's why you see that grass in there like that. I go pull that plug out, all of that'll fall right on up. So, you know, I just wanted to show y'all the cleanup after cutting your whole yard, bro. It's not that big of a thing. I mean, come on. That in itself is worth $1 to me. I don't have to worry about my oil leaking out, my gas all leaking out, getting all up in my engine, messing it all over. None of that. And I ain't got to worry about busting out a hose, trying to get off. None of that. This is what I'm talking about. Anyway, y'all take care, bro. Peace. Ooh, I told y'all this was coming. Some bonus material. Check it out. I'm about to take down this little pile. I say little pile. Let's really get on the level. See this here? Ooh. And I don't know if y'all can see, but we got it's pine cones, it's pine needles, it's sticks, it's all that. Okay. So we really, the lawnmower, the stack. I'm gonna try to bog it down. I have no idea what's about to happen. All right, here we go. Make it happen. We're gonna put it in high gear. You see it?
That was sexy.
You see it? It took it down. Would not bog it down. Couldn't do it.
Put it in the car.
Like, oh my God, what just happened?
You tore up a burden.
Say, man, this Milwaukee. Look, I didn't throw no holes in that deck. You ain't doing that with plastic. You're not doing that. Man, that's more power than the 200cc motor. Facts. Punish that one too. Gone. Gone. What I got? Still some pine cones. Still a little bit of something. Man, that went from a big old stack down to 2.5 inches. That was the 2.5 inch setting. Yes, indeed. Not a joke. Not a joke. I know y'all think I'm crazy behind this lawnmower. There's more to come. I'm going to be taking out to my friend's house out in the country. Out in the middle of southern swamp country over there. And I'm going to take it into the field and we're going to try to bog it down again. More to come.